Welcome to MotorMav. What does the error code P2138 on Chevy Malibu mean? This code refers to a possible fault in the throttle or pedal position sensor. It means your Chevy is in a risky position to drive. And the reasons can be: the entire electronic throttle frame is damaged. The throttle position sensor got cracked. Wiring issue. Faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. Let's check all the symptoms with this code you may face. And these are: cruise speed control started to drop out. Puzzled throttle or got struck at any RPM. CL, check engine light, on. And poor acceleration. Now, we will know the solutions for each reason. When the entire electronic throttle frame is damaged, replace the whole TPS frame. When the throttle position sensor got cracked, replacement of the sensor is the main solution. For wiring issue, your Malibu needs to be fixed by professionals because you will need a computerized voltage scope with the proper connections and some extraordinary output device. 4. Faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. If APPS is damaged, it needs to be replaced by a professional mechanic. This is one of the main causes of code P2138 Chevy Malibu. Hope you got some idea on how to get rid of this code. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.